everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Crystal, the Yarny Chicken and Crazy Cat Lady. Today I have a special video regarding VIP cross stitch. But first, welcome if you are new, and welcome to all my returning Yarny Cats. So if you are a member, I just want to say thank you for being a member of my channel and supporting me. Thank you. Alright, so today I just wanted to unbox. I got this a while back. I was contacted by a company called VIP Cross Stitch. Some of you have probably already seen the videos out there. They contacted me about the beginning of February, and they shipped the items out on February 18th and they arrived on March 2nd. So I had to wait a week before they shipped it out because they were out of stock of one item, and I said I didn't mind waiting. So this is a cross stitch company. They have different kind of tools, different stuff on their site, mostly cross stitching stuff. But they said I could pick up to a $24 value. So I kept it a little under that. So the items arrived, and two of these things I will be putting in future giveaways. Let's see. Alright, they did give me a discount code for y'all guys, so it is going to be in the description box along with all the links for all these items and their main website link. Which the discount code for 7% off your order is Crystal07. And I will try to add it right in here. Yeah. So, let's see. Alright, so the first item I have seen these and always wanted these. And I finally got some. But it's the little crane scissors. These are 4.5 inches, and they were $4.98. So they'll be even cheaper with the 7% off. Now, the next thing, which it all ships out from China, but this is in Chinese writing, so I can't really read it. All I know is car ornament series. Everything else is in Chinese. Well, and it says accurate color. So, yeah. But it's little keychains, stamped bead embroidery keychain. It's a little kit, and you make a little unicorn. They also have these options available. This was $2.70. Very cute. You can hear the little beads in there. I have not opened this, so I don't know what all is in it. So I guess let's do that. Alright, so they give you a little bit of stuffing. And then it comes with the floss, the beads. It looks like the needles that you need, the sewing needles, and the keychain ring. So everything you need. And the pattern. And how to do it. And also the little design. So I'm guessing it's like a little stuffed, and then I guess you sew it together and put the keychain. I really don't know. And it's also in a foreign language. But it does have little pictures kind of showing you how to do it. If you've ever done these before, you know, it does show, it's kind of like almost similar to diamond painting or cross stitch. It has the chart with different colors and then the numbers. So, I don't know, kind of cute. So, that was that. Try to get it all back in. Alright, so, and I said that was $2.75. That's a pretty good amount of stuff for that price. Alright, so the next thing is, it's a needle punch. And they called it a Russian embroidery needle. 1 pin, 3 needles. I got it. I'm going to turn this a little. You see that cat in this corner? Right there. I got that from Dee, my BYFD, of Dee's Creative Hands. She sent me that, and I don't have a needle punch. So I figured I get this, and I can do it. Now this, it's a needle punching is easy, unique, and beautiful craft that can be applied to almost of clothing, to almost, supposed to be all clothing, I think. But it has 3 different size needles in the pin, and then the instructions and stuff on the back. This was $3.15. And it does come with some, a threader up there. It goes from there all the way down. So that's a threader. Alright. The next thing I got was a embroidery hoop ring. Now, this said it was 6.5 inches, and that is 16.5 centimeters. I thought that might come in handy for something, you know, I'm not real sure. I know I just don't have one, so I got me that. And the last thing I thought was really, really cute. I'm not much of a cross-stitch person. I tried it once before, and I didn't really care for it. But I thought of all of you out there that are my subscribers that might like cross-stitching. So, who doesn't love Star Wars, right? So I got Baby Yoda, and I know he has a certain name, but I'm not sure of it. But that's kind of what it looks like. And I have not opened this up either, but this was 36 by 36 centimeters, which is 14.17 by 14.17 inches. This is an 11 count stamped cross stitch, and they labeled it as Yoda, but yeah. And this was $7. So let's see if everything is all in here. It is a cute picture, but I like Star Wars and Star Trek and all those kind of stuff, so of course I picked Yoda. Comes with the color chart thing, and then it has the picture chart. And then it's also on, it's also on the thing itself. Okay. So, actually, I'm just going to show you how they sent it. It's all like that, which, so there we go. And I've noticed that it does come with the needles. Comes with 2 of them. And this is how big it is. Then it also has the colors on the side with the numbers and all that. So, 19 numbers or 20, well, that looks like the same color. No, it's slightly different. So, 20 colors. Hope that don't tangle. So, actually, not too bad, I think, for $7. But it also had an instruction about the strands and everything. So, comes with that paper. So, I think I'm going to put that in a giveaway too, also. What is that? Oh. Alright, so I just wanted to share this with you. I was late on getting it done. Like I said, I had got it March 2nd, and I think today is now the 11th, so I'm just now getting around to it. But go check out their website. All these links will be down below. And don't forget about the 7% off discount code that they gave me. I don't think it expires. I think you can use it several times. Yeah, so thank you for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day. Take care and stay safe, and I will see y'all later. Bye for now.